How to change contact name font style without any app. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font style of your contact names on your phone. So let's get started. First things first, what you need to do is simply open your settings app on your phone and simply search for system font or fonts in the search bar like this, and simply go to fonts. Here you can see two options, that is my fonts and system fonts. If you have already downloaded various type of fonts, you can simply find it in my fonts. If not, you can find it various type of fonts in system fonts. You can choose to see like this and simply choose any of the font that you want to keep. For example, let's say you want to keep Arial, you can choose like this which one you want, if it is Arial, or you can also see American typewriter like this. Here you can choose between various options. Now if you want to put any of those, simply tap on it and choose the font. That's how you can simply change font. Now you can simply edit the contact name.